Welcome to the tutorial on how to operate your flagpole. Today we'll explain how a V-Cleat system works and how you can use it correctly. The V-Cleat system is a simple and common mechanism used to secure the halyard, the rope used to raise and lower the flag, on a flagpole. So once you remove your door, you have the whole of the 2 screws. This is what it looks like on the inside. It comes down from the top, is held in a friction, into the V-cleat, and to access it, you simply reach in, pull your rope out and tug it straight down. When you tug it straight down, that allows the rope to move freely through that slot. To lock it, you push straight back. And that locks the rope into the wedge. Once locked, you can replace the flag without any problem. By pushing the rope inward, it passes through the narrowest part of the V-cleat system, which is what locks it in place. By pulling it downward, you move the rope to the wider part, where it can slide freely, allowing you to move it easily. Once you're done, you can put the rope back inside the flagpole and close the door. If you have any questions, we will be happy to help.